Hello, welcome back to my channel. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another wonderful day here in Hong Kong. For today's vlog, we are going to Stanley Beach, and currently we are on the bus. I'm gonna show you the beauty of Hong Kong. This is the view from the rooftop deck in our bus. As you can see, it is so beautiful and so relaxing. There's so much beautiful beaches in Hong Kong, and you must visit. Houses in Hong Kong is a condominium unit types. A lot of apartments on each and every building. This is not like in the Philippines. Our houses was built from the ground. When we get off on this bus, we're gonna have to ride a taxi going to the beach. So this is my mom. She's preparing for our fare to the taxi. And here we are. We arrived at Stanley Beach here in Hong Kong. And now we are celebrating a friend's birthday. We have a lot of Filipino foods. These are pancit. And also we have the adobo. And at this group, they're cooking fried chicken. Yes. And this is my mom. Say hi.
Ano yun? Pampatulog! Ginawang nobena. Lapot ko din yung adobo may baboy? Oo. Nakatayo ang baboy.
Just gotta feed the water. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like over here. It's like not much people. To avoid the crowd. Wow, it's just so nice here. So nice over here. So basically
It was my mom's friend's birthday, so they just invited me, so I come. And I didn't imagine that I will be here in this nice beach. And it's a nice weather here in Hong Kong right now. And it's summer. I actually don't know what to say. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you in my next videos. I will give you some. Look, someone is doing like surfing. I like that. That's interesting. Well, and also we have to be careful around, since it's really nice in Hong Kong because there's no cases now, so all the public services has been resumed, and at the same time it's kind of like more on like it's getting back to normal nah. Yeah, so I mean it's not like from the couple of weeks, especially last month, we just stuck at home, nowhere to go. But we all understand about it because, just to prevent the spreading of the virus. But I know everyone hope that everything will get lifted and will get better, so as the travel restrictions will be better and will get lifted, so each and every one of us will go back to their normal lives. So you just need patience. You're not alone. If you feel like you're the only one who's feeling stressed or depressed, well, the only thing we have right now is just patience to wait until when everything gets better. The weather here now is so hot, and it helps me to do the better view, and at the same time the lightning to my videos, it's just natural, like no need to put some filters or no need lightning. It's a natural lightning, just the sun. It's nice. It's good effect. Look, I'm sitting right here. Well, thank you so much guys for still keeping up and watching this video until the end, and I really appreciate you guys so much. I really don't have much subscribers yet, but I really appreciate you guys. And if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button below, and thank you. So nothing much. So I wish I can also try to do paddling, but I don't have the equipment, and at the same time I'm afraid to try. Maybe someday, one of these days, maybe. Look at this kid, look. Wow. So wala akong masabi mga be, no? So wow. If you are new to my channel, just hit subscribe button, and yeah, see you on my next videos.